Hey friends, if a Windows 11 computer freezes and becomes unresponsive when idle, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options and optional updates and install any optional updates if they are available. This is how you update drivers these days. And the next one is to update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The third solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on restart now and check for problems. See, here's the thing. If it became unresponsive when idle, it means that the RAM is weak. And this is why we need to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. And obviously, if that doesn't work either, then simply add more RAM. And how will you do that? So go to any website like Amazon.com or Best Buy or whatever store you prefer. Okay. Okay, and then buy a RAM here. Like I have a DDR4. If you are not sure, then ask some person who is in this field, and then go over and buy a good RAM. It isn't very expensive these days. Like this Crucial 32 GB RAM is for $50, which is very cheap. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.